Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad 5, and in this video I will show you how to charge your laptop safely. So to charge your laptop, you'll have to plug in the charging cable into the USB Type-C port on the left edge of your laptop, which is this one. The cable looks like this, and once you connect it to your laptop, if everything is connected properly, you will see the light right here. And your USB Type-C cable should be connected to AC adapter, of course, and your AC adapter should hold at least 60 watts of power, since this much requires your laptop to be charged. So start with 65 watts adapters. The original one provides exactly 65. If I'm not mistaken, you can't really read it because I can move it closer to you, but it can hold up to 65 watts. So if it's anything less than that, then you should change your AC adapter, because your laptop won't be able to charge. And also make sure that you're using an AC adapter from a reliable source, so that it doesn't break your device. It doesn't even have to be the Lenovo one. You can use it from any other brands, as long as it's reliable and reputable. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.